Eberspacher EasyStart Pro. EasyStart Pro is the new control unit for all CAN-based Eberspacher heaters. Thanks to the CAN bus technology, complex configurations are also possible. For example, with 2 control units and up to 2 heaters. The system is compatible with 12 and 24 volts. The connection to a cable harness is made using a pre-assembled connector. Various installation options are possible with the installation-optimized ribbon cable. Surface-mounted with concealed cable routing, with visible cable routing, or concealed installation. After installing the EasyStart Pro, you can use the setup wizard to make the most important settings. One press on the control knob confirms the selection. Press the back button to return to the higher level menu. EasyStart Pro offers the following settings: the language, the time format, the time, the weekday, and the temperature unit in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. The EasyStart Pro has an integrated temperature sensor. For air heaters, you can set which temperature sensor is used to control the heater. You can choose between the temperature sensor of the control unit and that of the air heater. With the choice of display sensor, the temperature sensor can be selected with which the current interior temperature is displayed. Alternatively, an external temperature sensor can be installed depending on the application and customer's wishes. The perceived temperature can deviate from the measured temperature. An offset can be set in the temperature display to level this out. You can choose whether the required heater start time is to be used for the timer or the planned departure time by which the vehicle should be warm. To configure the departure time for a coolant heater, the vehicle's engine size must be set and the maximum operating time. During the setup, you can set the required maintenance interval. At the end of a maintenance interval, the user receives a maintenance reminder. If the EasyStart Pro is to be used to control 2 heaters simultaneously, they must be brought together to form a group. A group can consist of a maximum of 2 heaters. Also, the units in the group must be identical. EasyStart Pro has a secured workshop menu for maintenance and diagnoses. To open the workshop menu, switch to the settings so that the time is selected. Then, long press the back button. The settings of the setup wizard can now be called up again. To do this, it is possible to read out and delete the fault memory, both for the control unit and for the individual heaters. The display can be dimmed or brightened in several steps, and the contrast can be set. In addition, it's possible to check optically whether all pixels are displayed. This is also where the operating hours to date are displayed. Finally, in the workshop menu, it's also possible to reset the control unit to the factory settings. You can then use the setup wizard to reconfigure all settings. Continuous illumination of the display can be enabled by corresponding wiring during installation. The display illumination is then always active when a voltage is applied to the connection. The EasyStart Pro is ADR conformant and is thus also suitable for dangerous goods transport vehicles. EasyScan enables effortless configuration and diagnosis without dismantling. The menu language English can be replaced by another user language. A total of 27 user languages are available via EasyScan. English is retained as the default language. Eberspacher EasyStart Pro, the intelligent control unit for preheaters.